Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Lyst application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. Then at the very bottom of the page, just click on the red text that says delete account. And here you will be warned that if you delete your account, you cannot undo this action, so it will be permanently deleted, and all the personal data in your account will be gone. So if you are sure, then just click delete account again, and it's deleting, and your account is gone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.